डिनोमिनेटर आपके सेम है, so you can add this number. Okay, now you can add directly number. You have to add only the numerator, don't add the denominator. Denominator को add आपको करना नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ numerator को add करना है. That is 3 plus 5 upon 5. You write the 15 only once. Okay, so 5 plus 3, that is 8 upon 5. So your answer is 8 upon 15. Okay students, so I hope you will understood this additions of mixed number. Okay, here your additions of mixed number is over. Now we will learn the subtractions of mixed. Now we will learn the subtractions of mixed number. Okay, so from the practice set number 10, question number 2, subtraction. Now addition तो हम देख लिए, अभी हम देखेंगे subtraction. So first question is here 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. देखो students, क्या करना है आपको? So you have to first same thing, you have to subtract this integer number first. आपको ये integer number को सबसे पहले subtract करके लेना है, then you subtract this fraction number. So 3 minus 1. Okay, बीच में प्लस का ही साइन रहेगा, then 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, 1 upon 3 minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So students, 3 minus 1 how much? That is the 3 minus 1, that is the 2. Very good. Here you cannot subtract. Why you cannot subtract? Anyone can tell me? Oh, okay. The denominator are not same. Here your denominator not same. In the first fraction there the denominator is a 3 and second fraction the denominator is a 4. So you have to equalize the denominator first. You can say by the cross multiplications, 3 multiplied by 4 या 4 multiplied by 3. Yeah, you write your table. Okay. Three C 12 and 12 is a common number. That means 12 to C. 12 and 12 is a common number. That means 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. You can say the LCM of, you can take the LCM of 3 and 4, yeah, you can multiply by 3 by 4, yeah, 4 by 3. Cross multiplications. Okay, if you multiply the denominator by the 4, you have to multiply numerator also by the 4. Okay, then 1 upon 4. If you multiply 4 by 3, if you multiply denominator by 3, you have to multiply numerator also by the 3. We have to, मतलब denominator और numerator में same number से आपको multiply करना है, आपको वहाँ पर change कुछ करना नहीं है. Okay, so write the 2 as it is. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are how much? Okay, so that is 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So students, 2 plus 4 minus 3 how much? 1, and you write 4 minus 3 upon 12. You have to subtract only numerator. Don't subtract the denominator. आप denominator को subtract नहीं करेंगे, आप सिर्फ numerator को ही subtract करेंगे. Same rule which we use in the addition. Okay, 2 plus 4 minus 1, that is 1 upon 12. So your answer is 2 1 12. ये एडिशन का साइन एंडिंग में निकाल देने का है आपको. यू रिमूव दिस साइन at the last and your answer is 2. This is integer part and 1 upon 12 is a fraction part. Okay students, then the one more method, that is second one is a 5 1 upon 2 1 c. If you have this question number 1, this is the method. This is you solve this for question 1, question number 1 of question number 2, 1 from question number 2 by the method number 1. If you have follow the method number 2, I explain you how to see. You have 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 by the method number 2. Okay, so you have to convert this mixed number into the improper fraction. पहले आपको क्या करना है, ये mixed number को improper fraction में convert करना है, which we learn in the practice set number 9. So first multiply, then add, first multiply, then add. 4 3, so 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 4 into 1. This is C students, you 1. This is 4 into 1 plus 1 upon 4. 3 3s are 9 upon 3 minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1, that is a 5 upon 4. So here you convert this mixed number into the improper fraction. Okay, now we do the subtraction. Denominator are not same, so equalize the denominator. How to equalize? Cross multiplication करो, या I already told you take the LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. So you multiply 3 by the 4 and 9 also by 4, because our rule what say, our rule is say that if you multiply denominator, then also you have to multiply numerator also by the same number. Here also 5 upon 4, if you multiply 4 by 3, then you have to multiply 5 by 3. So 9 4s are 36, very good. 4 3s are 12, very good. 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. Subtract this number 36 minus 15. How much say students? You do rough work in corner. 36 minus 15. That is 6 minus 5 1, 3 minus 1. That is 21 upon, is it correct? No students, we 3 3s are 9, we not add this 1 now. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1, that is the 10. Okay, so here also students, we forget this one. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, that is the 10, and here also 10 4s are 40. So 40 minus 15, how much? 5. Here is a 5. 3 minus 1, that is 2, 25. So here is 25. So 25 upon 12. Now you convert this fixed number improper. Now you have to convert this improper fractions into the mixed number. How you convert? I already told you how to convert. Divide the 25 by 12. So 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 24. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So 36 cannot subtract from this 25. So we take the second place. So 12 twos are 24. Remaining is the 1. So here your remainder is 1. Your question is 2. Your divisor is 12. So our rules is what? Questions. What say? Questions, remainder and divisor for the mixed number. So question. So here your question is 2. Your divisor remainder is 1 and your divisor is 12. So you will get the same answer in method number 1 also and method number 2 also. Okay, but I suggest you follow the method number 1. Okay, because it is a very quite easy method than the method number 2. Okay, but students, if you feel that you already practice by method number 2, you follow the method number 2. आपको method number 2 अच्छा लगता है तो you can follow the method number 2, और जिसको method number 1 अच्छा लगता है वो method number 1 से अच्छा करेगा. So the remaining sum we will solve by the method number 1, because I suggest you method number 1 is quite easy. So we will solve the second questions, that is a 5 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3 1 upon 3 by the method number 1. Okay, so first we subtract this integer number 5 minus 3, then the plus sign जैसे वैसे. सी इन द एडिशन में भी हमने प्लस साइन ही रखा था. सी प्लस साइन है यहाँ पर एडिशन. जब हमने एडिशंस करे थे, सो 5 + 2 मतलब इंटीजर पार्ट और फ्रैक्शन पार्ट, इन दोनों के बीच में प्लस साइन था. यहाँ पर इन सब्सट्रैक्शन में भी आपका प्लस साइन ही रहेगा. सिर्फ आपको 5 - 3 प्लस 1/2 माइनस 1/3. Okay, first we subtract this integer number 5 - 3. How much? 2. Then see here fraction. In this fraction you cannot subtract directly because your denominators are not same. So first you have to equalize the denominator. So you take the LCM of 2 and 3. Yeah, you can say that cross multiplications of 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so if you want to write this table of 2 and 3. So here also 6, here also 6. Okay, so your LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. 1. So you multiply denominator by the 3, then you have to multiply numerator also by the 3. Minus 1 upon 3, you have to multiply this 3 by the 2, because denominator you have to multiply by the denominator have to multiply by the 2, then you have to multiply numerator also by the 2. Okay, so 2 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Now your denominator are the same. हमारे denominator तो same हो गए. So now you can subtract these fractions. direct 3 minus 2. Only numerator को आपको subtract करना है, denominator को नहीं करना. You write the denominator as a 1s. Okay. So 3 plus 3 minus 2, how much? 1 upon 6. So your answer is 2 1 upon 6. You remove this plus sign at the last. Okay. So this is it, 2 1 upon 6. Okay students, I hope you will understood the subtractions of the mixed number, and remaining to some you do as a homework. Now the subtract this third one. Seven upon 7, 1 upon 8 minus 6, 1 upon 10. First you subtract this integer number 7 minus 6. Then you subtract this fraction number 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. Okay. So 7 minus 6, how much? 1. Here the denominator are not same, so you equalize this denominator first by the cross multiplication. 1 upon 8 by 10 and 10 by 8. 8 multiplied by 10. If you multiply 8 by 10, then also you have to multiply numerator by 10. Minus 1 upon 10 into 8. If you multiply 10 by 8, then also you have to multiply numerator also. You have to multiply by 8. So 1 plus, okay, 10 ones are 10 and 10. 8 into 10, that is 80. 8 ones are 8. 10 into 8, that is 10 8s are 80. Now your denominators are the same. Okay, now your denominators are same. Okay. So 1 plus 10 minus 8, that is 80 upon 80. Okay. So 1 plus 10 minus s upon 2 upon 80. Okay, students. Then see 2 and 80. But you can divide this 2 by the, you can reduce these fractions. मतलब ये fraction को आप और भी reduce कर सकते, कम कर सकते. Because 2 can divide by 2 और 80 also can divide by 2. मतलब दोनों नंबर एक ही नंबर से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. 2 can divide by 2 और 80 also can divide by 2. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And 80 divided by 2, that is 40. So your answer is 1 upon 40. Yeah, students, here 8 and 10, if you take them LCM of 8 and 10, see, if you write the table of 8, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So your LCM of this, so LCM of 8 and 10 is what? 40. So students, you can take here 40, मतलब 8, if you multiply 8 by 5 you will get 40, or 10 by 4 you also get the 40. So you can do like this also. This is a one method. Okay, LCM, you can take the LCM also. You can take the LCM also. See, 7 minus 6, if you multiply, here your answer is, here you got the answer. You are finish. You finish this question. But now I show the by the second way. You can take the, here is a 40. यहाँ पर आपको 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, बट आप पहले से ही 40 लेके करेंगे. If you take the LCM तो आपको और आसान जाएगा. That is, if you multiply 8 by 5, then 1 by 5 minus, if you multiply 1 upon 10, 10 by, if you multiply 10 by 4 and 1 by 4, because LCM of 8 और 10 is the 40. और कब मिलेगा न्यूमरेटर, यह हमें यहाँ पर हमें कब मिलेगा 40? if we multiply 8 by 5 और if we multiply 10 by 4. So we will get the here 40, here also we will get the 40. Okay, in the table there is a fifth place. In the table of 8, the fifth place is a 8, and the table 10 there is a fourth place, there is a 40. Okay, in the table of 8, the fifth place there is a 40, and 10 in the table of 10, in the fourth place there is a 40. So 7 minus 6, that is 1. 5 ones are 5, 8 5s are 40, 4 ones are 4, 10 4s are 40. Okay, so 1 plus 5 minus 4, how much? 1 upon 40. So you will get directly 1 upon 40 your answer. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पर आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको एंडिंग में जाके 2 अपॉन 80 को रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा, मतलब छोटा करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज 2 ऑल्सो डिवाइड बाय 2 और 80 ऑल्सो डिवाइड बाय 2, दैट इज 1 अपॉन 40. 2 ने 2 को डिवाइड करे तो 1 मिलेगा, 80 को 2 ने डिवाइड करे तो 40 मिलेगा. सो यू विल गेट दिस आंसर 1 अपॉन 40. और इफ यू टेक हियर एलसीएम ऑफ 8 एंड 10, दैट इज अ 40 और 40 सेम है ना, तो आपको ये यहाँ पर रिड्यूस करना नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the online class. Okay, now we will solve the one more questions, that is last one. 7 1 up 7, the last one 7 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 5. Okay, first you subtract then the integer part, then you here plus sign, then you subtract this fractional part. 7 minus 3, how much? The 7 minus 3, the student, 7 minus 3 how much? That is 4 plus, see here your denominator are not same, so you cannot add this number directly. आप ये नंबर क्या कर सकते डायरेक्टली ऐड नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो क्या what you have to do to equalize this denominator? Okay, you can say this cross multiplications 2 by 5 or 5 by 2. Here you take the LCM. Okay, LCM आप ले सकते हो. Write a table of 2. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 15. See, 10 and 10. The same note. See, 10 is also table 10. 2 के टेबल में भी है और 5 के टेबल में भी है. In the table of 2 there is a 5 plus there is a 10, and the table of 5 second plus there is a 10. So 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So you multiply 2 by 5, you will get the 10. If you multiply denominator by 5, then you also have to multiply the numerator by 5. Then 5 multiplied by 2. If you multiply denominator by 2, you have to multiply the numerator also by 2. So 4 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 4 plus 5 minus you subtract. Now the denominator are the same, so you can subtract this fraction. Okay, thus you will have 5 minus 2 upon 10. See student, again I tell you, only subtract the denominator. सिर्फ ऊपर वाले नंबर को आपको subtract करना है. Don't subtract the denominator. 10 minus 10 मत करना. You don't subtract this number. Okay, you write this 124. 5 minus 2 how much? 3 upon 10. So 4 3 upon 10. That is your answer. Your question number 1, and here your question number 1 and question number 2 from the practice set number 10 we are completed. I hope students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the online lecture. Okay, so today you practice this in the maths notebook. You write down this, don't copy down. You understand this and then you write down in your maths notebook. Okay, so thank you for all the 6th standard students.